How to use Teams Copilot AI feature 2026. To use the Teams Copilot AI feature as of 2026, first of all, launch the application itself. Now you should be able to find the Copilot icon at the top right. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on this. From here, also make sure that you are subscribed to the plan itself. You can choose annual or monthly plan over here. Once you select it, go ahead and tap on the start option, fill in your details, head to the checkout, and also make sure to add your payments. Once you go through all of these options, you should be now able to use the Copilot AI feature. You can use it in live meetings to enable the data tracking, and you can also run without saving. You can also interact with the AI by simply tapping on the Copilot icon, even when you are within the call. You can also use it to summarize your meetings, and you can also summarize the chat history and draft, and also you can use it to rewrite the messages. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.